How's it going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Pokemon Glazed episode 4. Okay, let's look at our party. We have B. Yesterday our Swampert, our Marshtomp evolved into Swampert, which has quirky nature, and impish nature Monferno, which is our level 32, very close to evolving, and a Beldum with clear body, with tape gun, of course. And we have a Dino. I thought for some time and thought it had hustle. Our moose will miss very often, so I'm gonna ditch it from our party and add Larvitar to our party and add a new team member that is being Raichu. Okay, and we have our Bagon with Rockhead, Rage and Bite. Okay, let's move some of our Pokemon. Okay, this freaking Dino. Give them place. No. Yes. In order. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys when I'm going to catch that Larvitar. Okay guys, I bring this to place. Larvitar is very common. Okay, let's change up our different Pokemon. We're gonna grind this team up to level 40. Okay, after we catch that Larvitar, let's see it go and chunk those balls. I think it will be very easy. I'm gonna see you guys when I catch this thing. I finally caught one. The first one died to the leech seed damage, and the second one, yes. And we're not stopping our team part, adding team members. We're gonna catch an electric type. Some of you gonna say we have so many UVs. Evolve one to an Jolteon, but we're not gonna evolve that thing. We are gonna catch a new team member. That is surprise. Gonna see you guys when I change up our team member. Okay, we are back. Let's look at our party. A Monferno with Blaze, Chimchar, Chai, a Beldum, a Swampert, our ace, but not our starter. I wish it had naive nature. But this thing had naive nature. Flying is physical in Gen 3 and Dragon is special. I think there is physical special. No, I'm wrong. And we have Bagon and Larvitar with guts, and it's jolly. Best possible nature. Yes, rock and ground are both physical, but dark is special. Yeah. Foreshadowing. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys when I train this up, guys, to level 30. Okay, guys, we are back. I doesn't train up our team up to level 30. I'm gonna train those guys afterwards, after third gym. Okay, we're gonna take some team fusion stuff. I think that is the evil team in this game. We got crashed. Okay, yes, like every champion except from Leon. Blake gave a mission to a a 10-year-old boy. Flash shucks. Okay, let's lead off with Monferno. It's that very close to evolving. Hey, you team fusion. In light platform, that is Team Steam. Team Steam.
Funny.
You team Steam. Don't worry though, because there is a hiker who's gonna heal up our Pokemon. Okay, let's pick up this lantern. Oh, not lantern, the Pokemon. I'm saying lantern. Pokemon names are very identical to real life objects. We're on. Mukbans, dun 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 dun. Monferno versus Monferno. Who will win? Of course, Monferno will win. Okay, here it is. Almighty Inferno. Cha-cha-cha. Do you know that Inferno is based on Super Saiyan Goku and Sun Wukong? And it's also based on Indian folklore, Indian god Hanuman. Yes, it's based on Indian god, which is very amazing for Indians. Okay. XP share. Okay. We're gonna teach it some moves. It's gonna learn Earthquake. Yay, yes. Quick. Get out of here. Okay. Give this XP share to Beldum or Larvitar. Beldum evolves at level 20 into Metang and okay, Beldum is the best choice. And teach Earthquake to one of our team members, which is Larvitar. It only knows bite. Get out of here, you son of. I wish we had Ripples. Ripples would have saved ages. We are so over leveled for this part of the game. But this game is very hard. Did you watch? If anybody say this game is very easy, watch the first episode. First episode, the bug catcher. Yes, a bug catcher is very hard. And our starter is in Chimchar. Because we lost because mostly of the ivy, poisonous ivy. If not for this ivy, we would be golden. Hey, you friendly. We're gonna get a special move for our Bagon Dragon Claw. Yay! Dragon Claw. Bagon. Dragon Claw is a special attack in this gen. Do you know that? Every evolution type and dragon type is special in this gen, and every other type is physical. Okay, let's battle this freaking Red Scarf Pikachu. Bye bye. Delusifier, which is very funny. I don't know if there is a real thing called Delusifier. Whenever I say Delusifier, my tongue will twist and say Ishq Shifaya. We missed this item. Stone. If we had a Nidoran, that's it. That's the game. Nidoking is so broken, man. In Gen 1 and Fire Red and Leaf Green. Because of its cover, in Gen 1, it can learn Hornrill and the X-Accuracy stuff. And in Gen 3, it can learn basically every move in the game. It can learn Shadow Ball, Ice Beam, Thunderbolt, Earthquake, Sludge Bomb, you name it, I say it. Okay, we are very close to this end. Yes. Okay, let's battle this Jutes. Earthquake. This team's boss is named after. Team's boss name is Michael. Michael from M&J TV. When M&J TV played through this game, he was shocked seeing the leader name is Michael. Okay, guys, that's it for this episode. I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode of Pokemon Glazed episode 5.